There are 5 elements to purpose. Now we've covered number 1, which is passion. Now we're into number 2, service and value. Now, this is the one I actually got wrong many times myself, and it's the only word I've added to the page in a decade. And that word was value. Because so many times, I think you might have come across this from different books or advisory out there, people talk about the service you bring. What's the service you bring to the marketplace? And that's actually a relatively easy question for most people. They can get to that. Whether they can articulate it properly so they can actually sell from that position is another matter. But where I find the real tumbleweed going through the room is when I say, and what is the value you are bringing? Now, in so many businesses are service-based businesses. If you cannot articulate the true value you're bringing, people will not pay for your services. You will not be able to sell those services. You will not be able to articulate it in a way. And that has to be at the very core of the business. Notice, I'm not talking about this as some tactic or some shenanigan down in the sales system. This is back at core. This is at why you exist level. You need to be able to articulate, this is how we serve the world, and this is the value we bring to the world. Because if you cannot articulate that, then you do not have competitive advantage. And you're looking for that in somewhere else. It all begins right here. What's the value you're truly bringing to the world?